Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Lyssa. I got a real quick shrimp scampi recipe for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to make it in the air fryer. So for this, you're gonna need some shrimp, of course, and I got like, I don't know, a pound of shrimp that I had in the freezer. Some chopped garlic, unsalted butter, Cajun seasoning or like some seasoning salt, parsley, and then some white wine. Make sure it is not sweet wine, y'all, because that's nasty, okay? It's not going to be right. Do not use Moscato. Do not use any of that nasty shit, y'all. None of that. What's it? Stella Rosa. Don't use that, okay? All right, y'all. So for the first step, we're going to take our shrimp, and you want to make sure that you peel the shrimp. I like the tails on mine, so I leave them on. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. But anyway, so first thing I'm going to do is take our chopped garlic, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put a nice little amount of chopped garlic in there. I mean, it's really to the taste, but like a tablespoon. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of our Cajun seasoning on there. Like I said, you can use all-purpose or whatever. And we just gonna toss this up. Season it to the taste. If you got extra seasoning you want to put on there, some garlic powder or whatever, do that too, but I'm keeping it simple. So toss it up, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. Y'all, so for the next step, you're gonna need an aluminum pan. And before y'all talk about my pan, I intentionally folded it so that it would fit inside my air fryer. But yeah, y'all can use whatever pan you see fit to go in your air fryer. So I went ahead and cut up my butter. And I'm gonna put half a stick of butter on the pan at the bottom or whatever. And then just spread it out. Actually, I lied, I'm putting more than half a stick. I'm just gonna put like 2/3 of the stick on the bottom. So, boom. I'll move that. Then we're gonna take our shrimps. And I'm going to just lay them mugs out. I'm going to try to, like, space them out a little bit or whatever. But if they overlap, that's fine. Space them out. So, yeah, I'm going to put all these in the pan. And then I'm going to come back and show you the next step. So after you put your shrimp in the pan, it should look something like that. We're gonna take our wine. Again, make sure you do not use a sweet white wine, please, because that's nasty and it's not gonna be right. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of wine in the bottom of my pan, maybe like 2 tablespoons or so. And just make sure that it tricellate over to all areas, okay? Then I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little extra Cajun seasoning on top. You don't have to do that, but that's what I want to do. And then I'm gonna take some parsley, and that's gonna make it cute. You already know. Just put a little parsley on the top here. Then I'm gonna take the rest of my my butter, and I'm just gonna put some on top of that. I'm actually gonna break this up a little bit, just so, you know, it touch all the shrimps. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this in our little air fryer. And see, it fit perfectly in that mug. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer on 400 degrees, and I'm gonna come back and show you the end result. All right, y'all. So this is what our shrimp scampi looks like after 8 minutes in the air fryer. I'm gonna go ahead and make my bread, and I'm gonna taste it for you. All right, y'all. So this is the end result of my shrimp scampi and out the air fryer. I went ahead and toasted me up some bread, and I'm going ahead and taste these now. Try to give me a little thumbnail. It's good, y'all. The only thing that's missing is some lemon juice, but you can put that if you want to or not. It's still gonna be perfectly fine, just like this, y'all. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and leave a comment. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are a subscriber and you watching again, thank you. And watch another episode of Cooking with Lyssa, y'all.